Hey Steven and Kyle, do you want some Subway sandwich?
Yeah, I love Subway sandwich.
Go tell your dad, he can buy you some Subway sandwich.
Okay, I will be right back. Hey Dad,
Jack, how may I help you?
can you buy some Subway sandwich?
You can't have some Subway sandwich right now, I'm doing work on my computer.
But Dad,
I will get some Subway sandwich right now until 1 hour, just go wait and do something in your room.
fine then, I will show him. Steven and Kyle.
What your dad say?
Daddy say no.
How about you take quiz?
Daddy will get,
Does he poop you in the toilet?
and no ideas. Oh, Haribo sugar-free gummy bear. Hey Dad,
There, Zach.
I love you Dad, here's some gummy bears.
Wow, thank you, that is sweet gummy bears. Tasty. Oh, I got poo-poo. I got poo-poo. Ugh, that stink. Ugh.
Yes, Daddy Poopy. Steven and Kyle, let's go. Daddy will gonna find out.
That will be alright. Your dad is poop in bathroom.
We're gonna be trouble.
Let's go to eat some Subway sandwich.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome to Subway, how may I help you?
I want a classic Italian BMT with footlongs.
I want a sweet onion teriyaki with 6 feet long.
And I want it ultimate BMT with 6 feet long.
Okay, that will be $27.90.
Here you go.
Okay, here you go, and enjoy your sub sandwich.
Yum, this sandwich is taste awesome.
Yeah, this sandwiches taste great.
Me too. This sandwich is great and homey.
Are you gonna get to home yet?
Where should we go?
How about we go to Cinemark to watch the new Transformers 1 movie?
Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome to Cinema. How may I help you?
Can we have 3 tickets to see Transformers 1?
Okay, that will be $30.75.
Here you go.
Okay, here you go, and enjoy your movie.
Okay, the movie is start now.
Want to get more out of every big screen experience? Then look no further. With MovieBank, you can enroll in Cinemark Movie Rewards at no extra cost. Branded points, discounts, and more. Also, Cinemark Movie Club. Just $9.99 months to get rewards that are worthy of a red carpet. No fun, but every month the door's open. You can share with friends and family. 20% off the session every time you visit. Fees when you book your tickets online. Join Movie Club at Cinemark.com and start earning rewards today.
Wow, this movie is epic.
Yeah, this movie is amazing just like the 2007 version. Dark of the Moon, Bumblebee, and Rise of the Beast.
Me too. This movie is way better than Revenge of Fallen, Age of Extinction, and Last Night.
Okay, time for go home.
Ugh, that stink. Huh? Where the boys? Hey, where is Zach, Steven and Kyle? Huh? He not on outside, where are they?
Oh no, Daddy outside.
Zach, I can't believe you runs away, and what inside your backpack? Oh my god, look at all those is sandwich, and I can't believe you runs away to Subway to eat all this sandwich, and why eating while you running?
Sorry Dad, we want to eat some Subway sandwich.
Yeah, we have full for that.
Me too. This sandwich is great and homemade.
And we have to cinema to watch Transformers 1.
Get inside right now you Zach, and give me that sandwich.
Not take my sandwich.
Fix me back you Zach, and I can't believe you turn me into the empty sandwich.